Today we're going to work on a Sanctified braid. I know a lot of you are wanting to see some harder stuff, but once you get this dialed in, it'll make some of the other patterns we'll do a lot easier. So we're going to set this up like the other ones, starting with our cow hitch. Using this Aquatica color for the outside today. Go through with your loop. Pull this over and tighten it. If I'm going too quick on this, I'll link in the description the slower version of this knot. You'll want to know how to do this one to set up pretty much any dog collar that you'll make, at least if you're following my patterns. You'll just need 2 cords for this pattern today. You can do the same or 2 different. I'm going to do 2 different just to help the pattern pop a little more. It'll be a little easier to follow along as I go as well. All right, now that we have this set up here, you'll have your 4 cord base. We'll work from the middle here. So we'll take this first strand, bring it behind the first 2, up through the middle, over the second 2 cords. We'll repeat on the other side doing the opposite. So again, behind these 2, up through the middle, and across the outer 2. Now we'll come up to our cord on the top here. We'll come behind the first 2, up through the middle, and then we'll take the end and put it through the loop on the side. Again, repeat that on the other side. So behind these, make sure all these cords in the middle, you're going below them. Pull this up through the middle, and then connect through this loop. We'll tighten everything down. It's important to try to keep the same pressure throughout your pattern so everything stays aligned. The first one might look a little funky, but everything will line up as we go. So that's really everything for this pattern, but you can follow along to keep learning. So again, behind the first 2, up through the middle, and over the other 2. Oops. Repeat on the other side, behind the first 2, up through the middle, over the outside 2. Take your top cord, behind the first 2, through the middle, going over both of these cords, through the loop, and repeat on the other side, behind those 2, just like that. And we're just going to keep going. Again, once you get this pattern down, it's going to make a ton of future projects a lot easier. Because once you've learned this one, we'll just take this same concept and continue to expand off of it. And this is also just a cute collar on its own. If you have a dog with a smaller neck, or you just want something light and simple, this is a great option for them.